my dear students. Welcome back to Talk with Me. This channel is specially created for beginners who want to learn English slowly, clearly, and without fear. Here, we don't panic. We don't feel shy. We just talk with me and learn together. If you are new here, I warmly welcome you to our class. And if you are already following this channel, thank you so much for learning with us, okay? Today's lesson is a little new, a little interesting, and yes, for some beginners, it sounds scary at first. But don't worry, you can understand it in no time. I'll make it easy, okay, students? Today, we are learning past perfect tense. Say it with me slowly. Past perfect tense. Again, past perfect tense. Okay, good.
What is the past perfect tense? Now listen carefully. This part is very important. The past perfect tense is used to talk about an action that happened before another action in the past. I will repeat this again because beginners need this clearly. An action that happened before another action in the past.
Sir, I'm sorry, I didn't understand it. Can you explain it further?
Yes, sure, Catherine. Okay, just imagine you are telling a story about yesterday. Two things happened. The past perfect is just a way for us to say which one happened first. Think of it as the past of the past. Let's look at this sentence. When I arrived at the station, the train had left. Wait, let's look at that again because it's the most important part. Repeat after me. The train had left. In this story, two things happened. One, I arrived. Two, the train left. Because the train left before I got there, we use had left. If I just said the train left, we might think it happened at the same time, but had left tells us I missed it. Oh no, I hope you don't miss your trains. Dika, one action happened first, then another action happened. Does it make sense, Catherine?
Yes, sir. Thank you. Now I got it.
Okay, students, read these examples out loud. I had eaten before I went to school. She had finished her work before the meeting started. Yes, one thing finished first, then the next thing happened.
Okay, now let's look how do we form the past perfect tense. Here, we use this important formula to build sentences. Subject plus had plus past participle, or verb 3. Let's repeat together slowly. Had plus verb 3.
Had plus verb 3.
Good. Please remember, we use had for all subjects. I, you, he, she, we, it, they all use had. Easy, right? No have, no has, only had. Students, we already have discussed the past participle form of the verb in our previous lesson, the present perfect tense. Do you remember that?
Yes, teacher, we remember. It's easy.
Good. If you are a new one to our class and are not aware verb 3, please watch our previous lesson on present perfect tense. You will understand it in no time. But not now, after this lesson, okay? Good. Now let's see, when do we use the past perfect tense? Let's look at the main uses of this pattern. First one is an action that happened before another action in the past. If you can remember, we talked about this at the very first beginning of this lesson. Remember it? Okay, good. Look at this example. She had left before I arrived. Repeat this idea again. Past perfect means the first action, means left. Past simple means the second action, means arrived.
Got it? Okay, good. Linda, give an example.
I had eaten before he came.
Haha, good, that's right. Okay. And the second one is we use had with words like before and after. Examples: after he had eaten, he went out. Before she had spoken, she felt nervous. Got it? Good. Students, when it comes to question form, we have to bring had to the front of the sentence, okay? Here we use this formula. Had plus subject plus verb 3. Examples: had you finished your homework? Had she arrived before 8 o'clock? Had they left already? Okay, students, let's look at some sentences we use in our daily life. All right? I had studied English before the exam started. We had reached the station before the train arrived. They had completed the work before the deadline. Had you watched English videos before you found this channel?
Yes, teacher, we had.
How nice! Okay, now let's see how we use the negative form here. To say no, we use had not plus verb 3, or hadn't plus verb 3. Examples: I hadn't finished my work. She hadn't eaten before leaving. They hadn't seen the movie. Had you given up on English before?
No, teacher, we hadn't.
That's great, Linda. Students, you did well. We are almost finished now. But as usual, before we wind up the class, you have to answer this mini practice. Okay, let's do it. 1. I, blank, finish my work before dinner. 2. She, blank, not eat before the class started. 3. Blank, you, blank, see this lesson before. Write the answers in the comment box. I will check all your answers later. Okay? Good. Students, this is the end of the lesson. You did a great job today. You know what? Learning English is a journey, not a race. Don't worry about mistakes. They mean you are trying. Every word you learn, every sentence you speak brings you one step closer to confidence. Stay curious, keep practicing, and believe in yourself. You've got this. Thanks for staying with me all the way through the video. See you in the next lesson. Until then, take care of yourself. Bye-bye.